Hey guys, welcome to a short blog. So this is some items that I got from Ulta that I had to return. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I did get this foundation thinking it was foundation, but it's not. I don't even know why Charlotte Tilbury even came out with this, but it's not a foundation. And then I picked up this deodorant because everybody kept talking about gatekeeping with this Donna Karan deodorant. Y'all, I wore this deodorant for 2 days. This deodorant not worth no $32. And if you think it is, give me all the tips and tricks below to let me know it's worth $32. Does it have a slight scent? Yes. Is it a deodorant? Yes. But y'all need to let me know why this deodorant is worth $32, and then I will go repurchase it, because the 2 days that I wore it, to me, it's just another regular deodorant. What am I missing? Somebody holler at your girl. Let me know. I already took it back, but if I have to go back and get it again and test this again, what am I missing? I feel like people on TikTok hype stuff up so freaking much, bro. Like, I'm going to try it and tell y'all the truth. This deodorant so far ain't worth $32. And if you buy it on a regular and you feel like it's worth $32, put it down below and why. And I will go back and try it again. Okay? Because no. So I took it back, and I took the Charlotte Tilbury back. And that's that. I mean, I just was disappointed in this entire haul, which is why I'm doing it this way. So yeah, let's get into the rest of the blog. Guys, I am going to have to start going back to my Instagram to get my Starbucks orders, because I think I'm not doing it right. So this is a caramel macchiato, and it comes with the caramel syrup. I did light ice. It comes with 2% milk. I asked her to put a little bit of liquid sugar. I forgot to ask for my cold foam or Cool Whip. Forgot to ask for that. I'm afraid. Do I have a smaller straw? All they had was these jumbo straws in there. Yeah, I have a smaller straw. I'm afraid to try this. I am afraid, y'all. Let me stir it first. Let me stir it first. I'm always disappointed when I forget my Cool Whip or my cold foam. I don't know why. That's like the treat on top of your coffee, you know? It's not bad. Starbucks coffee is strong, so it's a little strong. It's espresso, so I knew that was going to be strong. I asked her to put a liquid sugar, but I don't see it on here. And I bet you she didn't, which is why I keep a little bit of sugar in my car. Let me open this, because espresso is strong. She was doing something while she was helping me. I don't think she was paying attention. So I keep a little bit of sugar in my car just for that reason. So I am going to ask for sugar, because I don't even see on that paper. I asked her for liquid sugar, like 2 pumps, because I know when she said espresso, she was a nice little girl, but she didn't listen. So I added some sugar, and that's a little bit better. I feel like she put too much milk. I taste more of the milk than I do the espresso. So I'm going to let it. What I might do when I get to the office is add some of the office coffee to it. I'm going to doctor it up, but I'm going to have to go back to Instagram. What do y'all try from Starbucks that's sweet? I normally get iced. If you have a hot one that's good, let me know. I normally cannot do Starbucks hot coffee. It is just nasty. No matter how much sugar I put, no matter how much cream I put, it's nasty. Strong and nasty. But if y'all have one, I'll try it. But Jesus help us, Lord. Have mercy. What iced coffee do y'all try from Starbucks that's sweet? I have some saved in my phone, and I didn't want to look at it. I just tried to go off of what was on their screen in there, but I'm going back to the phone. That's not bad, but I'm going back to the phone. Let me know, y'all. Hey guys, just a clip of y'all know where them fans at. Y'all know what it is. Everybody's doing it now. Everybody's having parties. I wish YouTube would let y'all listen to some of the music. I mean, that takes the fun out of the video. But anyways, I had a good time. I'm still trying to learn the steps. I know some of the step dances and some of them I don't. Some of them is just too much moving and turning and twisting and twirling and whirling and burling for me. I feel like how many god doggone steps did y'all need to make to these dances, Lord? But I had a good time at this event, so I just wanted to show y'all, like, I love this event because these ladies was not scared to get on the floor. They didn't care if they was messing up. They didn't care if they was doing it right. They didn't care if they was doing it wrong. Honey, in this event, you could bring your own bottle. You could bring your own stuff. So y'all will see some of the tables. People got their alcohol. We got our alcohol. This was a Coming to America. Where them fans at? So please don't ask me why that guy is sitting there in a Fred Flintstone costume. Was the Flintstones in Coming to America? Because I think he missed the whole concept of this gathering. Okay? I mean, he did that. Now, he dressed the part. I would love to go to a cartoon party. I would dress up. I would love to go to a cartoon party. All right, dolls and gents. So let's go over some of the things I got myself for my birthday. So a lot of my sisters, especially my mother, will give me money or gift cards for my birthday because it's easier that way unless they see something that screams my name, which I love because I like to get what I want, but I love gifts too. But if they see something that's me, they'll buy it. But if not, I get gift cards. And that is why when I clean out my purse and you see I have Starbucks cards, Dunkin' Donuts cards, months and months and months, because I hold my cards to buy cups. I don't buy coffee with the cards. They know I love cups. They know I love mugs. So I hold my cards to buy them. So let's see what I bought with my cash. So first of all, you guys seen, let me let the watch loose a little bit. I got tatted. So this is the lock and the key. And it connects together. So I got tatted for my birthday. I got another tattoo that's not finished yet. Right here. I'm going to finish that one this week. So we got some tats. Because we always going to get some tats, right? All right. We shopped online, which we didn't need to do. But it's your birthday. It's your birthday. So let's see what I got online from one of my groups. All right, we got the Dior flip-flops. Ooh, let me make sure they fit. Let me make sure they fit. Okay, y'all don't laugh. It's almost time for me to get my toes done. Okay, they close. It's close, but they fit. It's close, but they fit. Yes, we got the Dior's. Y'all know ever since they said this stuff ain't really fake, we about to go ham. But anyway, here are the Dior's. Right here, baby. Yes, honey. Okay, she did that. I'm satisfied with those. I did a lot of online buying that I don't normally do. Let me check this other girl. Where is this other girl? Nope. Here she is. So this is the other girl. TikTok shop. She was live. And I was skeptical. But when I tell y'all she was having a sale on live, and I'm going to try to carefully open this because I don't want to cut my stuff. She was having a sale on live that you really couldn't resist. So, let's see. And she shipped out quick, fast, and in a hurry. And TikTok keeps knocking her lives down because of what they are. So, she can only have it up for a little while before they knock it down. But, oh, she did that. Okay. Okay. And when I tell y'all these was $7, these was $7. That's the only reason. Y'all. And I'll find her page if y'all want it. I wanted some bangles with color. And do y'all see the Chanel on the inside? Can y'all see it? Right there. Y'all see it? I'm very happy with that. Let's check the other one. Because I wanted something with color. I've gotten into color a little bit now. Okay. Yes, honey. It's the CC's in with the pink and blue and gold. And it just opens up this way. And once again, hold on, y'all. The size and the Chanel on the inside. Y'all. All right, I'm finna go back and follow her TikTok because these were $7, y'all. $7. Yeah, we Gucci. This is the packaging, the little bags, but that's okay. I don't know how long they last, or whatever. I'm gonna put her information down below in case anybody wants to go catch her lives. I don't know how long they last. I'm gonna try my best not to forget to take them off and not to get them wet. But for $7, I like that, and they're very sturdy. They're a good quality, very sturdy, and everything like that. So yes, so this is from Bloomingdales. This is from Bloomingdales. I have always wanted this. Unnecessary. This is very unnecessary. Very unnecessary. The little brown bag. Keychain. Y'all know I have the medium brown bag. I have the little brown bag. And y'all know I have the little brown bag cosmetic case. So, very unnecessary. I know y'all. Y'all ain't even got to tell me it was unnecessary because I know it was unnecessary. You feel me? Let me show y'all what. Well, this was necessary, and I don't know why Bloomingdale's said everything. Ooh, this might be too big. This is not what I thought it was. Y'all remember when I did my bag of the month, and I said that I needed to order some more. Ooh, y'all, makeup, cosmetics bags like the little brown bag. Y'all, I think I ordered the wrong thing. Medium travel case. Yes, I thought that this was the cosmetic bag. Okay, so I need to go back on. Do I even want to keep this? I need to go back on, and it is too big. It's too big. It is too big. Let me see if the other one is the right size. Because I ordered two. I have the brown bag. This one is going to be the right size. This one is going to be the right size. I have the brown bag. Yeah. This one is going to be the right size. Okay. That may have to go back. And I'll exchange it. I'm trying to think if I want to keep it because I think it was only like $18, $11, $18. I had a coupon. I got to look at my receipt. But I have travel bags. Alright. And even if I keep it, I got to go back and order another one. So this is the size that it was supposed to be, y'all. This is the size that it was supposed to be because I have the little brown one like this. Now I have this one and I wanted that one. So when I switch out my purses, I could put my stuff in it. So I got to go back online and order that. And I'm going to look at the price and see if I want to keep that one or not. I'm going to look at the price and see how I feel about that. Okay, this is my receipt because that might have to go back. But I'm super excited about everything. I'm super duper 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 excited about the bangles, the shoes. This is really cute. I'm super excited about all of my little birthday purchases for myself. Now I just got to go get my tack finished and we'll be in there. But yes, this is just some of the little things that I bought for myself that was waiting for me to open. So, yeah. Now I'll be on a no-buy for a minute.